All right, so these are the Lasfit reverse lights. Whoa, on the Hyundai Ioniq. It's kind of hard to see them, but they're the biggest part here isn't that people see you backing up, but it's that on the rear view camera, it's just much better now to see that. And also, these are the LED license plate lights, which were also done. So what you see here is low beam. I had some annotation to the text here at the bottom of the screen, but that's low beam. That's high beam. So now we have LED, low beam, and high beam, both from Lasfit on the Ioniq EV. It looked weird before because having just the low beam LED, when you engaged high beam, the high beam was like not really that much brighter than the low beam, and it was yellow instead of white, so it was a different color temperature. So you can see here how all the signs are obviously illuminated. These are fixed LEDs. They're not. They don't turn with you. Like some modern cars, they are fixed, so around corners they don't really corner that well. Super bright turn signal. This is low beam again, and then high beam under the covered bridge. Super bright, but not scattered light though. They still are following the direction of the housing, which is nice. They're not just a bunch of light. Obviously installation was super easy. I think I got like 25% off on these. But there was no like requirement that I talk positively about them or review them or anything like that. I just wanted to do an install video. So they said, oh yeah, I'll take 25% off. So yeah, back to low beam again. And I thought I'd close out the video here. I think these are fantastic. I think you'll spend, I think the whole kit is like I think it's $100 or $150 for low beam and high beam. There's a discount code. I'll put in the description for 10% off, but if you have a base Hyundai Ioniq, any one, gas hybrid EV, here's the turn signal. It's just a really cheap. This thing's so bright. It's just a really, really cheap upgrade to make these more visible. You're driving around at night. Yeah, the turn signal is obviously not necessary, but it's super nice. It works. It works really, really well. And then you'll see the lights on low beam here. And then you'll see they'll go high beam. So low beam, nice beam pattern. It cuts off right at my leg right there. And then high beam, obviously, is just following the house in there. It's, higher. But I think it's perfect. And then here's the view from the iPhone. There's lots of companies you can buy from. I just find that Lasfit has been really good at communication. They've done a few replacement things for me with fittings, things not fitting correctly. They've just been really great with customer service. I haven't needed them for any warranty issues yet. But it's bright. So, as far as companies go, I recommend them. But there's lots of LEDs out there. These don't have any codes. They have melted plastics. That's nice too. So this is the low beam again. And then the high beam. So thanks for watching, guys.